So you can see right now it's working just fine. There you go. And all my steering control is working just fine. If I were to go here.
I like that they're working Boy and Mafe in. You know, we didn't talk about
honoring the many people one color and struggled and triumphed throughout the crisis.
Yeah, all that stuff going through. So you can see this is working. There you go. And CarPlay and all that stuff works. So I will show how I have my steering wheel control, what the install was for this ATOTO S8 standard in a 2009 Toyota Sienna, and I assume it's the same thing, same type of fitting, same information for 2004 to 2010 Sienna. So I will open this up and show you how I got it done. So once you take off the side, you want to take off this screw, same thing you're gonna find right here, there, and there. And you have to take off this top piece. So you can see I've taken this out, and I'll show you in the back. This is where USBs go, that you can have that come out from the side or from underneath, whatever you want to do. So I will tell you which different harnesses that I had to get for this fitting, and what parts you will need. This is where, well, you can just read the manual. It'll tell you for GPS and for the Wi-Fi, that's where they will go. Your antenna goes right here, and this is where your harness that comes with the stereo goes. Now, if you notice, this is in part that I'm going to mention comes with it. All I had to do was these two wires. Okay, the red goes to the ignition power, and the black is for the ground. And you don't need these ones unless you have RCA. These right here, okay, the small ones you can see. Okay, now the main one is this black with the green stripe, okay, and then the green with a orange stripe. That's where the trick is. You want to connect. There is another video that asks you to put into this for 2000 ohm resistor and then a 220 ohm resistor. Well, I bypassed all of that. If you want to plug in over here, that's when you need the resistors. If you just want to make a T connection to these two wires, you don't need the resistors, because it's hard to find a single resistor 2000 ohm and a single resistor that is 220 ohm unless you buy in bulk of 100 or 10, which unless you need that many, you can buy them. But so these I connected, and all of my stereo controls are working. I was able to do all the connections properly. Now, if you notice, I have right here steering wheel key plus, right? And that is simply connected, which is a orange cable, which is connected to the green with orange stripe on it, okay, that one. And then steering wheel there you go. Steering wheel key pound plus, which is a brown cable. If you notice that right there, brown, it is, that brown is connected right here. Brown is connected to black with a green stripe. That is the only thing. I made a T out of it, wrapped it all up, and put all the other harnesses, everything else together. This is the RCA because my van does not have the RCA, so I just wanted to make sure that there's no contact to any other metal and all that stuff. I put some tape on it, and that's kind of pretty much it. And I will list the parts that I used for this. Okay. I'll fire it up one more time to show. Or the keys. Okay, hang on. They're in my pocket. So let me plug it in here. There we go. And let's see. There it is. And steering wheel controls. I have them all figured up, configured. If I want to change all of these, let me just show you. Okay, and okay, clear, save and exit. Now I go back in, and then I say, okay, volume plus. See if you notice the, okay, if you notice the top red changing to yellow, so we're going to use volume plus. There you go. And volume minus. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to use this channel up, and then we're going to channel down, and then we're going to use mode for the source, which is right here. So watch that. That's all. Save and exit, and I will turn on the radio.
Love classical music.
Right.
Listeners cycling a lot in
There's
classical
that.
music for the first time. It's the Performance Circle. You can join.
There you go. That's all
$1 a
working.
month. That's
Mode
$1,000 a year
is
divided
right
by
here.
12.
Right here. So that's all there is to it. I like to keep it all clean, and I will share the parts that are used. And this is again a ATOTO S8 standard double din. So this video is about a ATOTO S8 standard, and what you need is, besides your stereo, you need this dash kit. This is the number TA2088B for 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna. You also need a wire harness, this 70-8114 by Metra, and this is for your steering wheel control. And the other one is this right here, by Metra also, 701761. That's all you should need to get this installed.